It's time. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, y'all, I'm going to try to document whatever this idea. This idea is called Circus Christmas. That don't even sound cute, but let's roll with it. So I'm trying to do a tent. Make this into like a tent that's going to go over my kitchen table. And that's going to be like the main feature. Now I have this needlepoint hoop, whatever it's called out, embroidery hoop. Come on, Kenya, with the words. I got this, what is this? Window sheet, curtain. Lord have mercy, I don't know my words. And so I'm going to try to put the curtain through that and then formulate the tent over the table. Y'all, I legit have not a clue what I'm doing. But we're going to see the end results. So, I'm going to show you the other stuff that I have that's going to pull the whole tent, the circus idea together. But my goal, the color scheme, let me just say that it's going to be red, champagne, creams, those kind of colors. So like a muted red though, like a burgundy, those like rich colors, like luxury colors. So, well, let me show you what else I have. Okay, I got this 3D awning. And I have these tickets that's gonna go in my invitation. So, I'm going to pull it off, y'all. I've been wanting to do this for a minute, but it literally just been in my head. So to actually pull this off, it would be a freaking miracle. And this is another thing that I bought. See the colors? Got this at Goodwill. I thought this was so freaking cute. And do y'all see the whole color scheme now? And I don't want it to be no corny looking carnival or circus type thing. I want it to be elegant, but still, it's a freaking carnival or a circus or whatever. So let me try to get this tent together. Okay, y'all. So I'm just going to literally put the curtain through all the way around the circle to gather it and then try to hang it up, y'all. This is different. This is different. Okay, y'all. So far, so good. It looks kind of like how I want it to look. Now I just gotta rig it up to over the table. That's the next fun part. Okay, y'all. I switched out the hoop to this smaller wooden hoop. Oh, y'all. And now I'm gonna try to put it over that light fixture. Yeah. But look how it looks so cute. I love that color. We're gonna pray. So far, I'm happy. And this is the finished results for the tent. Y'all, I love the way it came out. Yeah, it took a couple of tries. I don't want to blind you with the light, but my kitchen is so dark, I have to have it. But of course, y'all see I added a bow just to bring out more of the colors. But I took the sheet or the curtain, whatever, and I pulled it up to reduce the length and then still give the effect of like a topper, kind of, and to cover some of the light fixture. But overall, I liked how it turned out. And then I bunched it with rubber bands to keep the position and the shape. But I love how it turned out. Okay, so this is somewhat almost a setup, to keep it 100. So of course it's the cotton candy. These are the animals once I icing the cupcakes. as you see, I already made. And I'm going to put the animals on the cupcakes. So these are the peanuts. And look at my little black boy, Justin. He's so cute. So I'm going to show y'all the finished product. This is my chalkboard this year. Y'all can read it. Freestyled all the words and the drawings. Not the best, but good enough. And these just the little bitty details. Hot dog warmer, drink station, and popcorn station. And this is my little banner. Animal cracker banner. So that's the little popcorn station, drink station, and hot dog warmer and napkins. That's the fortune teller section with the fortune teller Christmas tree. Santa Claus got a fortune for you. And then this is where you put your ticket to get your fortune. This is the balloon Circus Christmas tree. The cute little gingerbread pillows. Gingerbread cute little wax burner that I'll turn on tomorrow. I thought this gonna be where I put the hot dogs at. So I already put like the baskets, and then it's gonna put the hot dog bun and assemble that tomorrow. And then I'm gonna put 3 on 3 each. This how, I don't know if I show you, like, of course this is the tent, but that's the back of the tent. How cute is that? The back where the peanuts are that, I can't talk. And this is where the chips are. And of course, it swirls around. It's so freaking cute. And of course, Santa. And my cupcakes are ready. The last 6. Don't mind the ladder, but of course, all that's going to be cleared up. So this is the gift section. You come in the door. I put all the gifts already in the bag. The wax melts in the soap. I'll see that tomorrow. I just love this area. It's like my favorite area. And they're just so cute. The little animal crackers. The popcorn. Merry Christmas! Girl, what is that? Y'all passing up everything.
What we supposed to see?
The beginning.
Take one, Christmas tour.
You gotta have your ticket, girl.
Well, you didn't tell us that.
I did. That's why I said y'all better keep that ticket.
Somebody told me.
Y'all weren't gonna know till y'all got here.
Oh, okay.
You gave me
Wait, which one we supposed to take?
Huh? Everything.
I think I lost mine.
Girl, I got tickets for you. Girl.
Oh, wait, here.
You know we blind.
I know. Let's stick it in there.
Okay,
Mine
where?
too big.
I said the ticket, girl.
Right here.
That's not the ticket, girl.
Oh, right. Right
Yes.
You told me don't throw this away.
Wait a minute.
Like this. It's kind of. Girl, you already know I practiced this. There you go. Now slide it in, girl. You did have a ticket. Now get your cookies. Get your cookie. Y'all got too much stuff. Y'all, I got a coat closet for you guys.
Oh, okay. Ooh, take one. Christmas tour. Ooh, can I have two? I'm playing.
That's why I got y'all that bag.
What'd I do? Oh,
Right
get a
there.
bag?
Yeah.
Any bag?
Yeah.
Well, we're here too.
Go back to the car.
Right here.
He's what?
Ain't you?
Yeah.
And her too.
Oh, right here.
It's behind the thing, Mom.
Oh, I went all past it.
And this
I guess I need to take my glasses off now.
Huh? Those are peanuts. Roasted peanuts for y'all. Yeah.
We can get them now?
Yeah. That's why I gave y'all that bag.
Oh, let me go get my bag. Girl, let me put this camera down. I don't know what I'm doing.
That popcorn loose.
Send your opinion for the rapper getting the wrong.